Okay, Big Papa here. It's 2025. It's a great time to talk about my predictions in food. I'm going to go on a limb right now and say that this is the year of the smoke burger. We're bringing back the old-fashioned, fancy, thick, juicy smoke burger. We're using cheddar cheese, not American, and a bunch of things. But I want to talk about things that I normally want to remind you of because it's getting ready for the season. And that is a couple things you have to do when you're cooking. Number one is plan your cook. If you see I got this tray right here, I have one that's red. That's for stuff that's had food like hamburger meat that is probably you don't want to mix with other things. But at the bottom I've got a black plate and that's when the food comes off. But what I've done is I've taken my time in advance and prepped the food. The biggest mistake I see amateurs make is turning on the smoker, throwing the meat on right away, and then frantically going to the kitchen and running back and forth and forgetting things. Take your time. Think about your cook in advance and then prep. Got my tomatoes sliced. I got my onions. Got my buns, which I'm going to butter and griddle toast. Got my marching orders, my cheddar cheese. My pickles. So we're going to move this stuff out of the way just for a second. My shredded lettuce. So we're going to start with the first thing I'm going to do. So what I've done is I've gone to my favorite butcher here. Even though it looks like they came from the cabinet, they came to the butcher shop for me. And these are, since we're in California, these are ground tri-tip burgers. Okay, the seasonings we're going to use today on the burgers, Big Papa's Money. I just love money. It's got some sweetness to it, it's got some kick, it's got some savory, it's got everything. For the onions, that's how I pronounce it now, little Louis. And let me show you a little trick about onions. Look at this foil right here. And look at this sliced onion. Guess what it's about to be? Big Papa's quick sauteed onions. This is so high-tech as everything I cook. Get some little Louis in there, wake it up, some garlic, some salt, and some pepper. And let's put about 3 tabs of butter in there. I like butter. Don't tell anyone. Well, I think you've watched enough of my videos, you know. So here's what I'm going to do. Wrap it up like this. We're going to put it on the smoker. And not just any smoker. My GMG. I love this thing. The trick, it'll work on batteries. It'll work on AC. So if you got a battery pack, tailgating, camping, whatever you want. But I love the Trek. It's the best I've found of the portable units. So I'm going to cook everything on it just to prove that I love it. So we got that. Now let's prepare, while those onions are getting done, let's prepare the burger patties. Look at that. That's like your mom used to make. Now we got our money. I just love money. We have sweet money for pork and chicken and stuff. This is money. Look, I'm just going to hit it pretty good. Pat her down. Flip them over. Let them sit for just a few minutes. Once I've done that, let the meat sweat and interact with the salt and the rub. Not as critical because I'm smoking them. Listen, a lot of things too, when you're using a cutting board like this, use the overspray, so to speak, to help firm up your burger. There we go. Make sure it's seasoned right. Okay, we're going to put these on the smoker at 250 degrees. We'll be monitoring them with my Thermapen, which I love so much. And it's probably going to be about 20 minutes to cook these. So let's find out. I'm going to go over to the Trek, open them up. Does that look, James?
Perfect.
Let's set our timers for 10 minutes. We'll check it. Hello, kids. Let me give you a little tip on building burgers. You know how many times you get a nice juicy burger and you get it and the bottom bun's falling apart? I'm going to show you a couple little tricks for that first. First, we're going to hit it with some mayonnaise. The bottom. The top's going to get a Thousand Island. And you almost broke the onions and tomatoes. Believe it or not, this is chaos in cooking live video, which I really enjoy. Now we're going to take this. It's like Thousand Island from Trader Joe's, my friend. We're going to put it on the top. Now, what do you say? You haven't protected the bun, you just did a lot of talking. I'm good at talking. That's why I'm here. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, put the lettuce on the bottom bun. Okay, I like shredded lettuce. They promised me it's been washed 4 times. I just got to trust them. So see this? This is going to be our first layer. Now what I'm going to do is reach in here, get my little secret here out. You guys are thinking I've really lost my mind with this neck trick. We're going to do a little more protecting here. We're going to put these freshly smoked bacon down here. I've left James a couple pieces of bacon. He's in a lot better mood when I leave him bacon. You know how I leave the bacon hanging out there? Just so people notice I use bacon. Remember when I showed you the onions while the burgers were smoking? The onions were there. So I'm going to put those on top of the bacon. And then there's one last thing to protect the bottom of the bun. Can't show you yet. And you know what? A little bit of this butter gets down to the bun. It won't matter because I've protected the bun. Burgers are looking a little messy. James, have some bacon.
I'll take some.
Okay, they're good. We're ready. How am I going to protect the bun anymore? By going upside down. Oh, he did it. Hold on. Oh, there. Perfect. I love my GMG. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Ooh. Now the cheese is going to protect the bun. I promise. Just a few pickles. Just a few. You can throw them away if you don't like them. So here we go. There you have it. The Burger 2025. The Big Papa Smoke Burger.
Wow, this thing is a burger. That is.
Well, they don't call me Little Papa.